Hello! In this video we will explain how chatbots work, but don't be afraid, we will explain it in a non-techie way. Let's get started. Of course, there are several different ways to operate chatbots. The world is buzzing about artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML chatbots. However, the truth is that most chatbots are rule-based and they do their job just fine or even better than the fancy high-tech bots. In all honesty, who hasn't run into an AI chatbot that gets stuck when it doesn't understand what you are trying to ask of it? No matter what kind of chatbot you go for, building a solid conversation flow is the key. Like always, all chatbots have their pros and cons. So let's get started by getting to know different kind of technologies, what are their differences user experience-wise and in setting them up and optimizing. Rule-based and handcrafted conversational chatbots. In essence, this means that the conversation paths are defined and built into the chatbot. The underlying tech may be simpler, no machine learning or artificial intelligence involved, but this approach emphasizes the need to understand your target audience. In fact, understanding the needs and behaviors of your users and customers is essential whatever bot technology you employ. Users of handcrafted conversational bots are limited by a defined set of alternatives. The big difference is they won't hit a wall on the way to conversion because the dialogue is based on a decision tree that always works. With handcrafted bots, if you know your target audience, a few chosen options are all you will ever need. Often a set of defined options can actually be preferred because typing, especially in mobile, can be cumbersome. Plus, the conversation always flows towards a goal defined by you. Rule-based bots are quick to set up. It takes just a few hours to get started and you don't need developers to help you get up and running. It's also easy to adjust a handcrafted conversation compared to an algorithm. No need to rethink or reteach an algorithm. Easy customizability means that you will actually make the adjustments when there's a need for it. In the best case scenario, your provider will even suggest improvements and take care of them for you. Essentially, AI or ML chatbots provide chatbot conversations by using sets of data. As the available data expands, they should become better as they gather and learn from the information. Most of the AI and ML chatbots are designed to handle a single task. This is due to the required processing power, storage and use of data and the like being quite expensive and not yet very sophisticated. If the user is set to complete a really niche task, the chatbot user experience is remarkably good. However, if the issue concerns a more complex task, then the chatbot runs into trouble. For example, users in the process of purchase seeking to confirm a delivery-related detail might find the chatbot fail if it's designed for customer service rather than sales. The setting up of an AI or ML chatbot takes months or even years. It requires a vast amount of data and tech-savvy people in addition to customer support, marketing and/or salespeople to train the chatbots. The project team needs to invest a lot of time into the project. Even though you might think that AI and ML chatbots would optimize themselves, that's seldom the case. AI chatbots require constant effort from the project team to improve. As a summary, choosing the right kind of chatbot technology always depends on your unique circumstances. Maybe the only clear way to make some kind of difference in the beginning is by assessing the budget on your disposal. If you are limited in budget and that budget isn't too high, then you should probably start with a rule-based chatbot. That was all. We've handpicked few articles for you as well as other insightful video content which you can check from the links below in the description field. Bye bye!